Sources are right now telling us, switching back to the NDA camp, where after the meeting with the NDA MPs on 7th of June, all the allies will be meeting the president, and the time given to meet the president on 7th of June is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So this is about 48 hours from now that there is going to be, as per sources, after NDA MPs meet on the 7th of June, all the allies will be meeting the President Draupadi Murmu, and the time allotted by President Draupadi Murmu to meet the NDA allies is going to be from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And now, as per sources, we are getting to know that on 7th of June, all the NDA alliance members and leaders are going to be meeting Draupadi Murmu, and this meeting has been scheduled for 7th of June between 5 and 7 p.m.
Yeah, just after the meeting of the NDA allies partner ended at the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as per sources we are getting the information that on 7th of June, first of all the NDA allies partner and their leaders will be meeting in the national capital, and after that they will be going to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where they have been allotted the time between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So it is now quite very clear that Narendra Modi will be going to stake claim along with the NDA allies partner to President Draupadi Murmu, and then oath-taking ceremony will be decided. But as per sources are concerned, they have also said that the oath-taking ceremony for the new government will take place on 8th of June. So it is quite clear now that before going to the President, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking all of his NDA ally partner to the President itself, and so that he can show the support of the NDA alliance partner to the President. So now it is very evident that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to form the third consecutive term of government for the NDA at the centre.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.